Hi, I am A. A. Hi, I am I. 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 Now, when we work together, I do the talking while this keeps quiet. I do the talking while this keeps quiet. A does the talking while the letter I keeps quiet. Example: rain, r, a, rain. Tail, t, a, l, tail. Nail, a, l, nail. Train, tr, a, train. Pail, p, a, l, pail. When we work together, I do the talking while I stay quiet. So A does the talking while letter I stays quiet. So I have A, A. So AI sounds A, A. Don't forget to purchase my first A to Z flashcard where you get to teach your child to sound the letters and also connect the letters with the right object. Connect the what? The letter sound with the right object. Click on the link in my bio or send a DM with the word flashcard to purchase your set today.